Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it for your OPPO Reno5 Z on Google Play Store. So if we visit Google Play Store and here try finding Call of Duty, as you can see there's no game. So to fix this, let's go back. Here click on the profile picture, move to the settings, navigate to the family, parental controls, and now either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games and enter your PIN code. Here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the setting afterwards, and now if we go back and try to find the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.